Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and the number of the day is the number 6. Today we will be recording lots of ways to show the number 6. If you'd like, you could grab a marker and a whiteboard and draw along with me. Or else you could have a watch first and then have a go later. So, let's get learning! It's always fun to play with 6, a special number so full of tricks. 2 sets of 3 and 3 sets of 2. 6 is a number that's always with you. Guess what? I have been a number detective again this week. And this time I've been looking out for 6 wherever I've been. And yes, I have found 6 everywhere. Check out some of the places where I found 6. I found these cool numbers on a building this week. This is 165 and 6 is there, right in the middle. Lots of fun balloons and right at the top is the number 6. Can you see 6 on this big building? Yes, that's number 60 and it starts with 6. No numerals here, but this kind of reminded me of the 6 dots on a dice. Can you see them too? Where is 6 here? Can you spot it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, back to numerals now. Up this way to level 6. And finally, what number is on this mailbox? 36. And that ends with 6. Become a maths detective yourself, and wherever you go this week, look out for the number 6. Let's see how many ways we can show and record the number 6. Starting with this way, the numeral. Do you remember how to write 6? Fingers ready? Let's write it together. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Okay, this will be the first way I write 6 on my board. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Now we can write 6 as a numeral and we can also write 6 as a word. Watch as I write the word that says 6. S-I-X. 6. I'm sure you know this way to show 6. Yes, on a die. And here is the number 6. 3 dots here, 1, 2, 3. 3 dots here, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to record this on my board next. First I'll draw the square dice face like this. And now I'll draw 3 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3. And 3 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay everyone, get your fists ready. We are going to give 6 fist bumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now get those shoulders moving because we are going to give 6 shoulder shrugs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Well, what's another way that we can show 6? How about as a 10 frame? Do you know how to draw a 10 frame? Well, watch me as I draw one and you can always point along with your finger. So, first we draw a nice long and big rectangle like this. That's the way. Then we need to draw one horizontal line all the way across the middle. And then we need to draw our 4 lines in the middle. Remember to try to keep the spaces the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just need to add how many dots? Oh yes, 6. Let's go, starting from the top left box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have one full row and one more. That shows 6. Okay everyone, here are my blocks. You know what to do. Count with me as I pull out 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to place these on my board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Can you think of more ways to show 6? What about with our fingers? We'll need 2 hands for this one. Fingers ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, I'm going to show this on my board right here. Well, look at all the ways we've shown 6. We've shown 6 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, on a 10 frame, and with our fingers. What's another way we could show 6? How about as a picture? I wonder what picture you will choose today. I'm going to draw 6 hearts. Remember, you can choose any picture you like as long as you draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've drawn 2 rows of 3, and that makes 6. All right, I can see a few more spaces. How about we show 6 as tally marks? Do you remember what tally marks are? Those special lines that go up and down. And when we get to 5, we go across. Okay, everyone, pointing fingers ready as I draw 6 tally marks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 6. Great. Now you might remember that bigger numbers are made up of smaller numbers. So let's look at 6 closely and see what we can find. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red counters. But what if I swap these 4 red counters for 4 yellow counters? We still have 6 counters, but this time it shows 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 make 6. Hey, have you had a chance to play with dominoes? Because I've been playing with them, and check out what I found. 4 and 2. And that makes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What a great way to show 6. I'm going to record this domino on the board. So first I have to quickly draw my domino, just like this, with one line down the middle. And on this side I'm going to draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this side, how many dots? 2. 1 in this corner, 1 in this corner. So this shows that 4 and 2 makes 6. Can you think of 2 other numbers that can combine to make 6? Maybe you could find it on a domino. Well, now I'd like to show you one more way we could show 6, and that's on our number line. Okay everyone, let's count to 6 together on the number line. I'll just put my pointing finger on 0 to start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was great. Now this time, let's count again, but I am going to draw the steps with my pen. Watch carefully as I draw one step for each number we count. Are you ready? I'll start at 0. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll circle our number of the day. Wow, look at all the ways we've shown the number 6. We can show 6 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, on a 10 frame, as pictures, as tally marks, on our fingers, on dominoes, and on a number line. Well, now it's your turn to grab a pencil and paper, or maybe a marker and whiteboard, and show all the ways that you can represent 6. You could choose to use some of the ways we've shared together, or you might even have your own. And remember, maths detectives, look out for the number 6 wherever you go this week. Happy learning, and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.